guys, it is Jordan Christina, and today I'm back with another video. And today's video is going to be my updated and finished slash almost complete nail room tour that I'm going to show you all today. So I'm super excited to show you guys everything. So, to start off, I don't know which way I want to show you guys, but what I used to kind of separate areas of the garage are curtains. So, you guys can kind of tell it doesn't like block, they're not blackout curtains, so you can still see through the other side of it, but they kind of take away from what's on the other side, so you can still see a little bit, but it covers it enough. So there's some junk back there in the back side of the garage, but you can't really tell because the curtains are here blocking it. And also to block us from the cars, I also have some more curtains here. So yeah, I actually ended up getting these curtains from IKEA. I was having a hard time being able to find curtains that fit the length of this room because it's kind of long. So I was just in IKEA. I was actually looking for home decor, and I actually ended up stumbling upon these curtains, and yeah, I purchased them. So it's 3 curtains going across, and I think it was like a pack of 2 curtains for like $20. So the curtains were actually fairly cheap. So we're gonna start over here on this side of the room. So I have this grass wall that is back here. I bought the artificial grass from Home Depot, and then I put flowers around it, and I have this love sign. It actually lights up. It's neon. Let me try to turn it on. So yeah, it's the neon pink love sign. That's up here. This wall is super duper cute. I didn't go all the way down, which you guys can see, but the cart and stuff covers it, so it's fine. Over here, I do have this small little Coco Chanel little perfume bottle. It was super cute plain, so I just decided to put it up on the wall. And then I also have this very cute full-length mirror. It was just to add decoration. There was no like specific need for it, but I thought it was cute to put in here, so I added it. I have this little cart that has just random stuff on here, super random. So this is just extra fan, speaker. That's my nail duster. Have some barbicide back there, some cords. It's just super random, just to put some more storage. This right here is the Alex drawers that I purchased from IKEA. So I'm gonna make a separate video on what is inside each of the drawers. But yeah, that's where I store most of my nail supplies in. And on top I have my nail lamp, which I need to buy another one just sitting up here. It's not really supposed to be up there though. I have this little nameplate right here, a clock, which I need to put some batteries in it so it can actually work. I have this candle with the candle holder, this mason jar with cotton swabs in it, and some hand sanitizer, some random hand sanitizer. So like I said, I'll make another video going down what's in each of the drawers. Also, if you guys have any questions on where I purchased any of these products from, just please let me know, and I can, comment and let you guys know where I got everything from. I probably won't put prices and where I got everything from in the description box because it actually is a lot of stuff in here. So if you guys have like specific questions on where I got specific things, I literally have no problem letting you guys know where I got it from. Okay, so I guess we can go over here to this side. So I have this little side coffee table right here. It has a little Arctic air fan right here, some disposable mask, and this is a what do you call this, a drink holder. What's it called? It is a name for it. I can't think of it. God. Yeah, I know the name of it. I just can't think of it. And it's sitting on this little table right here, side table. I got the side table from IKEA. It actually came like a brown woodish color, like the color of the floor, but I decided to spray paint it this blue color because my accent color for the room was blue, so I wanted to paint it blue. Sorry about this bag right here. This is actually some supplies in here. I didn't put it away yet, so I just have it sitting there on the side. I also have this little lounge area. I got this couch. And I have some pillows and blankets. There's a carpet on the floor. So it's very cute, very comfortable. This is in like the event that I had extra customers, or a client brought a +1 or something, you know, they have this space right here on the couch to sit. Due to COVID, of course, I won't really be having extra guests at the moment, but this is kind of like in the event that if I were to have extra clients. And then we have this wall, which I did show you guys in a previous video with some of my decor. So I told you guys where I got this stuff from already. Over here in the corner, I have this air conditioner. Because it is a garage, it does get pretty warm and toasty in here. So this air conditioner does a really good job at cooling off the room. I actually purchased it on Facebook Marketplace, so it wasn't too expensive as if I were to have bought, you know, a brand new one out the box. But it works super good. Like, it gets super cool in here. And to kind of block it off a little bit, I have this plant right here that kind of covers it up just a little bit, makes the room a little bit cuter. Also, everything that I really got in this room, I got on a budget. A girl does not like spending a lot of money, so y'all, I made sure I did everything on a budget. So if y'all really have any questions about where I got stuff from, please let me know, because a girl was on a budget. Over here, I have this other storage thing that I purchased from Home Depot. It has 3 drawers in it. I have things in here, which I said in another video I will show you guys. Up here I have this plate, and this bowl actually has water in it because I just finished using it. I should have dumped it out before the video. And I also have this jug right here with water. I also have some water on the floor, some little bottles for clients if they wanted some water. So actually, you're probably questioning, why do I have this bowl here? In other videos, I have mentioned that I was not a fan of having clients inside of my house. So when it's time to, after we finish like filing the nails and your nails are a little dusty, you know, you need to wash your hands. So I have this bowl out here so we can wash our hands in the bowl, and then I'll dispose of it and disinfect and clean the bowl. But this is just to kind of help with clients not coming inside of my house, because that was an issue that I spoke about in another video, which I touched upon already a little bit. If we look at this wall here, I have some little paintings up there, and this little circular storage thing right here. Right now I have some polishes up there, and those 2 little plants. I actually have 2 shelves that are gonna go on either side. Actually, I was thinking that I should put 2 nail polish holders on each side and put all my polishes up there. I thought that might be a little cute, but I think I can still have my shelves up there and still be able to put some nail storage things up there to put nail supplies in. But right now I think this actually looks super cute, but I do want to fill these 2 empty spaces because it is kind of looking a little empty to me. If we come over here, I also have this thing right here. This is actually an air purifier. I actually haven't used it yet, so I do need to turn it on and see how it works being in here in the room. And the last thing that I have to show you guys is my nail desk. Woohoo! So this is my nail desk. It's actually the Lindemann desk, I think, from IKEA. And then I have, I put contact paper on here. It's actually 2 different color contact papers. They're very similar to one another, but I actually messed up when I was doing the first half. And I ran out. I had to buy some more. And even though I bought it from the same people on Amazon, they look a little different, but I don't think you can really tell too much. And then I just put some plexiglass over top of the table. That way I don't mess up the contact paper. And I have these chairs, so it's the same chair on either side for the client and for me. So yeah, these are super cute chairs. I have this seat cushion on it. I actually made the seat cushion, well, I didn't make the cushion, but I guess reupholstered it. I bought the fabric. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like before, but it was a different fabric before, and I put this fabric on top of it. And I got these cute little pillows to go here, so it really looks super cute to me. And like I said, it's the same thing for the other chair for your client too. So on my desk, all I have is my nail drill, my dapping dishes, some liquids up here, some alcohol. This is acetone, cuticle oil, cuticle softener. This is my Mia's Secret monomer. And this little dish right here, which I've shown you guys in another video, with some of my files in it. I also have my brush, and then back here is actually a fan for the client. I haven't used it yet really, but if I need it, it's there. I have some paper towels. I actually have a paper towel holder for this that I need to put in here. I have some soap, which is the soap that I use when the client washes their hands. I have some lotion when we're finished doing the nails and I put the cuticle oil on. There's no specific reason why I have this gold thing. I just bought it from the store and I thought it was cute. And I didn't know what to do with it, so I just ended up putting my lotion in here. And this right here is my jar to disinfect, which I use with my Barbicide. And I also have this lamp right here, so if I need some extra light to see the client's nails, I do have this. I have my little trash can right here, and then I have an extension cord back here that I use to connect and power up everything that I have in my nail room. It's off right now. When I'm not in here, I do turn it off, so I'm not using, you know, actually I don't know. I doubt it uses electricity when it's not on, but I still just turn it off. But guys, yes, that is my completed nail room tour. It was super short. I mean, this is a small room, but like I said, I love the way this came out. It's a perfect size to do nails in. It's a perfect size to have clients in. So yeah, guys, I really love this room, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this little short, fast nail room tour. Like I said, I'll have another video up of how but what's in this storage bin and what's in this storage bin. But like I also said too, if you guys have any questions about where I got anything, about anything, just comment down below and let me know, and I would be happy to make a video for you guys about that. So I just want to say thank you for tuning in and watching this videos. Like I said, the videos will be more consistent. I will get back at it, y'all. I just need a little break, get things together, and they're together now, so we're gonna keep it consistent, we're gonna keep it going. And I just want to thank you guys for supporting me and watching my videos. So bye.